how to allow or don't allow changes to speech recognition access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now in here, we go down and in the Privacy section, we tap on Speech Recognition. From the list here, you can choose Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. So select one of the options, and when you are making a change, it may ask you to enter in the screen time passcode. Do so when it asks you. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.